Hi guys, good morning in our country. So welcome. I will be unboxing another box of Ravnica Allegiance. So actually, shout out to Boss Joel for sponsoring us this. So so let's open our box number two. Very excited. Actually, the box number one is quite interesting. But anyways, let me set up myself first. Okay. Let us see if this box will be successful. So let's do the second unboxing. Okay. Let's open the first pack, first one. Okay, okay. Let's do this. I'll just go to the maybe to the commons, uncommons. I'll just go to the uncommons. I mean, okay. Okay, we have our Frilled Mystic, Bankrupt in Blood, Fireblade Artist, and our rare Biogenic Ooze. Oh, this is a mythic. We have a foil, Gorklan Wreckler. So our first mythic is, I don't know if that can be, that's very special, but anyways, let's go to our next one. Okay. Okay. First is Rally to Battle, Acrobat, Combined Guild Mage, and a rare Font of Agonies. Okay, anyways, the next, oh, we have another foil. Okay, consigned to the pit, and a Simic, and a Spirit Token. One. So, by the way, I did not introduce. I'm such in a hurry. Welcome to MTG. So we're unboxing our second Ravnica Allegiance. To those who just tune in, if you see my first unboxing, so hope this next one will be very kind to me. Okay, Ice Everywhere, Rumbling Ruin, Clan Guildmage, and a rare, oh, another mythic, which is Angel of Grace. That's a good pull. And we have another foil. So three foil in a row. Shark to Crab and two mythics. We already have our two mythics. So okay, then let's see the other one. Other pack. That Angel to Grace might be used. It's very useful. Okay, just go to the commons, uncommon, okay? Oh, the Thunder Shaman, I like this card. Eyes everywhere. Orb Enforcer, and a rare. Oops, yeah. Finally a fetch. Stamping Ground. I hope we will get another fetch. I mean, not a fetch. Oh, sorry. I always uh, miscalculate or missay that it's a fetch, but it's a shockland. So I am hoping to get all the shocklands if possible on this box. So I'm happy to get the Stamping Ground. Okay. So we have Dagger Caster, Person Common, Blood Misinfiltrator, Code of Constraint, Ewan are rare. Oh, it's a flip. Want Warden. Okay, and a semi-guildmate. I'll just open some. So hopefully I want to get another stamping foil, maybe foil shock, and a godless mine. So we have Sphinx of Euprab. Yeah, light up the stage. I like this card. I'll just put it maybe here because I will use that. Collision, Colossus, and Mirror Match. So nothing special, just a mirror match. I'll just maybe put this away here because I need that to my deck. So how are your pulls on your draft, on your PRs, and oh, skewer. That's for the post. I like this card, so I'll just put it here. And how are your pulls? So hope you are having a nice pull. So growth spiral, another good card. Okay, Arcway Angel, Thin Street Dodger, Sky Teeter, and a rare Simic Ascendancy. Okay, and a Simic Guild Mage. Okay, so far so good. We have 2 mythics. um, let's see if we will have more mythics. So it's possible, but I'm hoping to have more. Oh, Rhythm of the Wild. Oh, I like this card. I really like this card. Ministrant of Obligation. Oh, this is another one, another good card. Terramander and Glass of the Guild Pack. Okay, the uncommons are very useful here. I think there are some uncommons that will be used in modern as well. So, and I really like the Shocklands, the art of the Shocklands here. So let's go. High Alert, Combined Guild Mage. Oh, Wilderness Reclamation. This will be used, I think, because at the beginning of your end step, untap all lands. So very useful in control decks and ramp decks. And a rare Bedeck and Bedazzle. And a Guild Gate. Okay, so far it's okay. So not that good, not that bad. But we have 2 mythic. So Rally to battle, or 7 Enforcer, Cult Guild Mage. Oh, this is Jace. Like that mini Jace. And Amplifier. Okay, with the Ors of Guild Gate. Oh, I like that art. Maybe I'll just collect those because that's Jace. Okay. So our first common. Okay, a flip. Consequent Consume. Angelic. Oh, Angelic Exaltation. Oh, this good. Syndicate Guild Mage and a rare. Oh, Precognitive Perception. I think one of my friends will use that. But it's very. We're having a pull on our card, so whatever we have, we create a deck that will be used and hope we win some tournaments. Okay, eyes everywhere. Collision Colossus, Flames of Bracebore, and a rare Gruul Spur Breaker. Okay, I actually will be using those cards. So we are now on the middle. So halfway on our box, almost halfway. Actually, we have a drop a while ago, and the pool there was insane. We have 3 Shock, the Crazies, Dovin Ban, and some more good stuff. Galloping Wizrobe, Horse of Rocketeers. Oh, this one I will use. Essence Capture, I'll just put it there. And a Hallowed Fountain, second fetch. Yay! I second the Shock. So one of my friends, shout out to you. Shout out to you, Mr. Romel. You will use this. Oh, I put the affiliate here. Okay, Romel. We have our second Shock. So far so good. I'm happy for the Shock. Okay. Springs of New Prab. Oh, the Gate Colossus. I like this card as well. For the Gate deck. Forbidding Spirit. And oh, Judith. We have Judith on the house. Okay. So far, our pulls are getting good. Those will be useful. I'm not sure if this will be useful on modern, but that will be very useful in rule. I mean, Rakdos aggro. Tallbird Guardian, Basilica Bell Hunt. Oh, another essence capture and a rare Revival Revenge. Okay, everything. Our foil rare. What? Bedek Bedazzle. Oh. Anyways, let's just be happy. That's our foil rare. We are not bedazzled by it. Anyways, but I'm in our house, so I just very excited to open stuff. So that's why I just recorded this opening. Clear the stage. Rakdos Firewheeler, Gatebreaker Ram, and a rare Bantic Pyromancer. If I see those bedazzle, come on. Okay, another one. Okay, okay. Vindictive Vampire. Oh, this card made me win. Actually, I like this card, Mockery, for animating your enemy's graveyard. Sentinel's Mask, and a rare Sphinx of Foresight. I think this is used there now. Okay. And we have Clear the Mind as a foil. Sphinx of Foresight. Interesting. Oh, I'm not seeing any skewer. Winston Drake, Shark to Crab, Carnival and Carnage, and a rare. Oh, Godless Shrine. Oh, and also and an emblem. Oh, the sharks are here. The sharks are here. Yeah, I'm happy with those sharks. Yeah. So far, 2 mythics, 3 shocklands. So, Growth Spiral again. We have all that I want. Gate Colossus. Maybe if they give us a walker, that will be complete the box or complete my day. Clear the stage, Star Defense, and Biomancer's Familiar. Okay, we're halfway, and we have 3 shocks, so not bad actually. I really like what is happening now. Not like a while ago. Anyways, let's move on. Gateway Sneak, Surta Goblin, Syndicate Guildmage, and a rare Lumbering Battlement. Actually, this is a good card in limited. This is a bomb. I played that. Oh, sorry. Oh, I played that card, and um, and what happened is that I won because it has a village vigilance, and whenever you I think it's like a devouring or exile any non-token creatures, it will have 2+2, so it will be big. Non-token, and if you have some maybe entering the effect, if they die, the entering effect will take place because all the creatures will come back. That's a tech card. Okay, Skatewing Spy, Spy Mangler, Sawyer Skyguard, and Race Forerunner. Another bomb in limited. So far so good. I really like what's happening. I like this one. Okay. Oh, Silhana Wayfinder. Clamor Shaman, Rumbling Ruin, and a rare. Oh, Gutter Bones, another very useful in. Oh, and our foil, another foil rare, Font of Agonies. Okay, not a shock, but our second foil rare. So I will not complain, still a foil. I don't know if that will be useful, but it's one to cast. So maybe let's see in the previous days if they will use those cards. So another tall bird guardian, Basilica Bellhunt, Sentinel's Mark, and Mass Manipulation. Okay, let's move on. I don't know if that will be used. Maybe on Commander Mono Blue, something like that. It's quadruple blue. Don't know how you will cast that. Maybe in infinite mana with a blue. Oh, sorry. You have the Trouble Guardian. After this one, I like this card. For the Dorks, it's like a Hell Rider. Previous card, Hell Rider. Swirling Torrent and a rare Tesa. Oh, we have another foil. Night of Sorrow. So far, so we'll just arrange this, align, because too many. Okay, now we are down to our last side. So by the way, again, thanks for watching. So thanks for your support to me. I really like to share my unboxing to you. So I really want to record all the unboxing that I am doing, as many as I can. So we have another skewer to critics. Let's put it there because it's very useful. And Raid Ceratok, Scrabbling Claws. This reprinted actually. Spirit of Spires and a rare Verity Circle. Oh, so far having a good time. We have 2 mythics, so hoping to have 2 more or maybe 3 if possible. Then we have our 3 shocks. So let's just wish for the best. Groove Beastmaster. Oh, another Wilderness Reclamation. Cry of Cornerium. Exiling Creature. Okay, and Absorb. Okay. Finally, Romel. Finally. Actually, we did not get that Absorb in many of our packs. But one of our friend Bill is a control player. So he is wishing for that card. And finally it came out. So he will be using those cards. Senate Guild Mage, Angelic Exaltation, Calbait Calamity, and a rare Hero of the Pressing Quan. Okay, I think that is now being used on a modern, as my friend told me. So it's actually good. Whenever you cast a multicolor, then create a 1/1 human. So in modern, I don't know if there's a human deck for those. Okay. Bulwark One Crusher, Colt Guildmage, Chase, Junk Trawler, and a rare. Oh, Blood Creep. So far, I think. No, we are missing 1 Shockland. I think we are missing. We have 4 Shocklands, as we wish, and we are missing Breeding Pool to complete the shock. So thank you for that, and I really want to shout out to Boss Joel for this. He's really a nice guy actually. If you know him, he's very playful, so he's a nice guy. So we always take jokes. Okay, Failed Mystic, Dove Insecurity, Scrabbling Claws, and the Breathing Pool. Finally, to complete the set. So I have the set of Shocklands. Now I wish for those Shocklands. Now let's wish for a mythic. A Hydra Crisis. So to complete my friend's deck as well. So I like this box and opening. So thank you for that. Thank you, Vic, for choosing this card as well. Flame of Bracebore and our Sphinx of the Guild Pack and our rare. Oh, you wish for that. Yeah. Domri Chaos Bringer. So this is a god box as I can see. Not a god. Anyways, I'm very happy for the pool. So thank you, Vic, for choosing this, and thank you, Boss Joel, Navar Skewer of the Critics. Growth Spiral. Mortify is our first uncommon. Sorry, I'm just getting excited. Screaming Shield. Spire Mangler, and a rare Unbreakable Formation. So I'm very happy now. Okay, give me a foil mythic. Hope. Let's see if this box will give us a foil mythic. But as of now, I'm very happy. Pitiless Pontiff, Resolute Watchdog, Knight of the Last Breath, and a rare Immolating Shaman. And we have a foil. Oh, Thirsting Shade. So we are down to our 4 packs. So we have 3 mythics. All the set of the Shocklands are here. So what else can we wish for? Okay, we have Biogenic Upgrade, Cry of Carnarium, Gates of Blaze, and a rare Awaken the Earth's Wild. So we don't maybe there's no mythic, but I'm hoping that we will have a mythic. So we have 2 foil rares actually. So this box is good. Not that rare that we are the foil rare that we are looking, but still a foil rare. Acrobat, Gruul Beastmaster, Junk Troller, and a rare Priest of the Forgotten Gods. So we are down to our 2 packs now. So hope you are enjoying this, and maybe push the like button if you are enjoying, and subscribe to my channel. I know that I'm not that opening many boxes or anything, but we will come to those. This is the post deploy. Regenesis, Forbidding Spirit, and a rare another mythic, Captive Audience. So there we go, our 4th mythic of the box, and we are now down to our last pack. I will not complain because actually our mythics are good. So I think I like Domri. I like him on my deck, but he's maybe not low level than the previous Domri. So I like the previous Domri. Balrak Land Crusher, Sphinx of the Guild Pack, Macabre Mockery, and a rare Ravnica of the Sawyer's Renegade. So there you go. Just a recap. I'll just maybe arrange the foil because I mix it up with the Guild Gates. So our unboxing is very very interesting, and it's very fun. So we have, I might say that it's a successful one. We have two foil rares. Okay, as you can see, Font of Agonies. I don't know if this will be used, and Bedek and Bedazzle. And we have our 4 shocks. It's a shock, and we have our 4 the angel and the ooze. We have 4 mythics, Angel of Praise, and some good rares. So I think Ravnica, I like that card. Hero of the Precinct, Absorb, Tesa, Disgatter Bones, okay, Judith, Go Spellbreaker. So far, we are very successful in opening this box, and I'm very thankful for that. Shout out again for Boss Joel. Shout out and to Vic Victor for choosing this box. And by the way, guys, please watch the streaming of Ergo. He has some stream regarding the MTG Arena, and actually, we will be maybe partnering someday in opening a box. And shout out to Francisco Cheng for his 8-bit for sponsoring Ergo, and he's a good friend of ours, so maybe support them as well as you support me. And hope you enjoy this unboxing, and we love you guys, and maybe next time unbox more booster box and cards. And thank you, and please subscribe to MTG Alone. Yes sir, let's wrap up, sorry. Thanks.